Today I wanted to just come on here and remind you exactly what to do with these sheets. I know yesterday I kind of just gave them to you and said, here's some different ways that you can practice spelling your words and writing your words out. And so today I wanted to go through and actually show you what to do. So you have these sheets. I'm not sure if they were stapled or if it was just all set together. But you have a bunch of sheets with some different ways to practice your words. So I want to show you exactly what to do. So if you're looking at the Rainbow Write I think is pretty self-explanatory. Here's your word. The word is lend. And what you're going to do is you're going to grab out a red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple crayon or colored pencil. To be honest, a colored pencil would probably work out best for this just because you'll be able to have a tip. Okay? And so then what you will do is you will go ahead and you will write the word with the red. So if I have send, because lend is already done, I'm going to write send, S-E-N-D. Okay? And now that I'm done writing it in red, be careful so you don't break your tips off like I just did. When you're done writing it in red, then you're going to grab it in orange. I'll use this bright orange that I had. It's called Sizzling Sunset. You try to use the right colors though. S-E-N-D, orange. And then you need it in yellow. S-E-N-D. Then in green. Then in blue. And then in purple. Okay? And so you're going to do that for all of the words. And what's the point? Well, the point is that repetition is really, really good for your brain in order to remember how to spell words and how to say them correctly. And so the more that you practice this, the easier it'll be for you. On the back side, this is waterfall words. I like to call this pyramid writing. It's the exact same thing. So here you have lend, and you can trace over what they already have. L, L-E, L-E-N, L-E-N-D. Okay? Now, you follow the box. You start with one letter, and then you go to 2 letters, and then you go to 3 letters, and you go to 4 letters. However you want them to be, write them 2 times. Okay? Notice that it's different every time. It could be different every time. You could use make yourself bubble letters or some kind of a fancy font that you've made up. Okay? So you can do that the whole way down. You decide how you want it to be, how you want it to look. Okay, it can be something that looks like this. Okay, there's all sorts of different ways that you can do it. So you just have fun with it. On the back it says write and rhyme. I do want you to do this one for sure. Put a star by this one. I'd like you to do this one for sure. What you need to do is you need to trace the word. Then you need to write a word that rhymes with it in the next box. So if the word is lend, what rhymes with lend? Lend, send, lend, bend. You can pick whichever one you want. I'm going to choose bend. Then you're going to do the same thing with fast. Fast. Maybe cast. The boy has a cast on his arm. Then you're going to do sink and run. Remember, find the word that rhymes. Put a star on by this one. I want you to for sure do the rhyming word. Word search. This one's so much fun. I hope that you decide to do this one and show me. So what you're going to do is find the words in the word search, and then you're going to color them in. So let's do past. I see past right here. P-A-S-T. So I found past, and then I'm going to color it in. Then I can go ahead and just cross it off once. You're going to do the same thing for all of them. Oh, look, I found bug. B, U, G. Okay, you're responsible for the rest of those. I hope that you choose to do this one. I'm going to put a smiley because it's a fun one to do. Make sure your name gets on it. Okay, the back side, ABC order. This is the other one I want you to do. I want you to do ABC order. Write the words from this list in your ABC order. Please make sure to use a pencil for this. Underline the first letter of each word to help you. They even have the alphabet out for you. I'm going to give you the first one. The first word is bug. Okay, you know that because B is the first letter that you run into. Okay, now that you're done with B, you need to see what will come next. L, S, F, W. Oh, there's two S's. Don't let that fool you. P and R. Okay, get those words in ABC order. And then this other sheet here, you do not have to do, but I think it'd be fun for you if you want to take some time to do this. So what you're going to do is you're going to write the word. So the word is send, S-E-N-D. Now I'm going to go to this phone. This is like an old phone these days, but it's what actually I used to use when I started having a cell phone. In order to text, we actually had to push that number however many times until I got to the correct letter for the word I was trying to make. So the word send, you can see S is over here. What number is with the letter S? 7. Then I have to find E. Oh, here's E. What number goes with E? 3. N, that's a 6. And D, that's a 3. So that's your text code. How fun is that, huh? So go ahead and give that one a try if you want. A little challenging, but a lot of fun. I'm going to make that one into a sun. You don't have to do this one, but like I said, it'd be fun just to do. Give your brain a little bit of a break and still have a little bit of fun with school. Okay? So there is a couple that I told you that I would like you to do, and then there's a couple that you do not have to do if you do not want to. But I would love it if you would take some time to work on these because as we come back to school, we'll be doing some more work with these because they're really helpful for us in our learning of our spelling words. So when you're done, go ahead and get this put in your Tuesday folder.